First Alert Weather with Chief Meteorologist Michael Coates.
Now, we just went from no warning right to a tornado warning with this storm that just put down a quick little funnel cloud west of American Falls, about 8 miles to the northwest of American Falls. You probably heard the warnings maybe earlier around 6:40 to 7. It was a very quick and short-lived warning because we had this one little tornado that just popped down out of one thundercloud. And this thundercloud wasn't even producing that much rain and hail to begin with. And we did see quite a lot of photos all throughout the region from our Facebook followers, and a lot of our viewers just sent us these wonderful photos. This one came in from Jamie Beach here, and you can see the tornado. This is a little closer view of it, and you can see the well-defined rotation there in the dust cloud and that tornado funnel touching the ground. It's a funnel cloud, and then when it touches the ground, it's technically a tornado. Ron Olson sent this in, and he was at the fairgrounds in Bannock County. So imagine where the fairgrounds are in Pocatello. He's looking across the valley towards American Falls, even over the hill there, and you can see the tornado. Look how high that thunderstorm was. So it was a very high-based thunderstorm, very dry cell that got overhead here, just enough, the perfect amount of wind coming off the foothills here as it came off around the mountains there from the south to the north, and it pushed off into the desert. Thankfully, no reports of any injuries or damage from that tornado, and it lived for about 10 to 15 minutes, and around 7 o'clock the warning was canceled. We have a cutoff low to the south. We have another weekend low that's going to come in here for Memorial Day, bringing in a few showers by Saturday. The cutoff low is to our south. That's what's been bringing in those scattered showers and thunderstorms. What's going to happen here, we're going to see more of these wraparound showers for tonight and tomorrow, but as we get into Friday, there is a bit of a break in the pattern here before that next stuff rolls in for that weekend low. So we do catch some warmer weather, and we're going to begin to see some drier conditions for at least Friday. Vipercast, 10 o'clock tonight into tomorrow. Again, wraparound thunder showers. Most of the thunderstorms tomorrow will be into the high country. A couple storms spilling into the Snake River Plain, and at times they can get a little bit severe, but nothing too severe at this point. As we go into Friday afternoon around 6 o'clock, Friday's looking a bit drier, still some spotty storms into the high country, and a few may spill into the valley, but I'm not counting on much. Saturday, here comes a chance of thunder showers, and if you're going to go camping, and especially in Island Park, I definitely see a chance for getting wet with a few thunderstorms Saturday afternoon. Same thing around Swan Valley, if you're going to go camping that direction. Central Idaho, not so much, but in the eastern highlands, Snake Highlands, southeastern Idaho, western Wyoming, if you're going camping, prepare for thunderstorms on Saturday afternoon. All right, lows tonight, around 32 in Stanley, 42 in Salmon, and 42 in Idaho Falls with the mid-30s in Jackson. We're looking at 41 for St. Anthony tonight, 47 in Pocatello, 46 in American Falls. Fairly mild conditions here. 42 in Aberdeen and Lava, 39 in Montpelier, 37 in Afton, and we're hitting the mid-30s in Pinedale and Afton tonight. Temperatures tomorrow, a couple degrees warmer. Not a huge difference here on the map. We're going to be reaching for the upper 70s here, near 80 for Pocatello and Malad at 78 and 79. 76 in American Falls, 76 for Blackfoot and Idaho Falls, Rexford's at 76, mid-70s for Driggs, 71 for Jackson, 75 for DuBois, and we're hitting the upper 70s at the site, upper 70s also in Salmon. The 8th day, here we go. As we push forward into time, you'll notice highs even warmer for Friday, a high of 80 in Idaho Falls on Friday afternoon. A low risk for thunderstorms Friday afternoon. A chance of thunderstorms pops back in for Saturday. And Sunday, Monday, not bad. If you're going to have a barbecue on Sunday or Monday, I think you're actually going to be looking at some very nice weather here across the Snake River Plain. Cooler conditions for the middle of next week. That low in the northwest will finally get in here by Tuesday and Wednesday, and it's going to knock us back into the lower 70s. Rexburg, a high of 79 for Friday, 74 on Saturday. And again, cooler conditions by Tuesday and Wednesday of next week. That's after the holiday weekend, which is good news here. But we do have a chance of a thunderstorm on Saturday afternoon. Pocatello hitting highs here around the upper 70s on Saturday. Scattered thunderstorms for Saturday afternoon. We're hitting the upper 70s to mid 70s on Sunday, near 80 for Monday on Memorial Day. Blackfoot also pretty warm here for Friday with a high of 80. Fairly sunny conditions to get the weekend started. 77 on Saturday, 75 on Sunday. And Jackson, thunderstorms this weekend on Saturday, and again possibly on Monday. I think Sunday's going to be actually the best day of the weekend here, and that goes also true for Island Park, West Yellowstone, and as we get into the high country. I'll send it back over to Jay and Carol.
All right,
Thanks, Michael. You know, there's kind of a perception that people that play a lot of video games are lazy.
Yeah.
But in a surprisingly fast-growing movement, it's becoming a nationally recognized sport and even a potential career for some. That's coming up on Newsline.